Brought to you by ExpressCare Health and Skin Center. Get in, get out, get better.
All right, we are talking about various types of appliances you have around the house specific to makeup and how you should take care of them. Dr. Jitka Lom from ExpressCare is here. Now, this is, Dr. Lom, probably more applicable to our female viewers, but
Sure.
Guys out there, if you want to buy your girlfriend or your wife, your significant other, whatever, a real nice present, here's information that you can use. Because, first question, how often should somebody change their mascara wands or their eyeliner applicators?
For sure, you should do it every 3 months. 6 months is the absolute limit. Yeah.
Okay.
On Guam especially, you're carrying things around in your warm purse like we mentioned before.
Or just your sweat on your
Right.
skin. Okay,
Yeah.
so three months, 90
3
days?
months, yeah.
Okay, change your oil in your car, buy a new mascara wand. That's the rule. As easy as that.
Good idea.
That's easy to remember.
Yeah.
All right. What is the best way to actually clean makeup brushes and maintain them?
Okay, well they do sell, commercially, they sell makeup brush cleaners, but you can just also use your dish soap, like a mild Dove soap that you use for the dishes, or Free and Clear, Planet, these type of really mild hypoallergenic soaps, and just wash it with soap and water. That's all you need to do, and then just let it dry. That's really all you need to do. Another idea would be sponges. You know, some women use sponges for applying makeup. Just throw those away, get a new one. Don't reuse that. But the sponges that you use for your shower and so on, you know, the sort of puffy sponge you might use in the shower, those ones also need to be discarded once in a while. Every 6 months you should get a new sponge. In the meantime, when you clean your bathroom, you can take that sponge and put it in a little bit of bleach solution, just soak it in there, clean it, and then let it dry, and that'll kill everything that's on your sponge.
Okay, here's another question. We've already covered passing bacteria from person to person.
Right.
How about passing your own bacteria unto yourself? I'm
Yep.
thinking of, maybe I have like a little pimple or a little zit,
Yep.
and then I shave and I wind up cutting that, or like an idiot, I pop a pimple because I think it's the cool thing to do and everything, and I wind up getting, the bacteria on my hands, which then gets into my mouth
Absolutely.
later. Can I make myself sick from my own bacteria?
You can't make yourself sick, but you can spread it. We see that a lot with folliculitis or with boils. People say I popped up with one and then I squeezed it and now I've got another one next door, and that's exactly what happened. They spread it from location to location. And yeah, if you have a sore, you want to wash it, pat dry, clean it, apply some antibiotic ointment, cover it so that those germs aren't spreading on the rest of your body, particularly in hairy people, especially men with facial hair. You'll get a lot of bacteria that you're carrying around on your mustache and your beard, and then you'll shed it on yourself. If you have a bug bite or a small scratch, you could get an infection.
Now, for men that have facial hair, since you bring it up, we're taught that it's good practice, especially out here with the humidity, to take a shower at night. It makes you feel better. It helps the
Sure.
muscles relax
Yeah,
because
and
of
a
the warm
cold
water.
shower. It's very, very healthy.
Yeah.
Helps you burn fat, actually.
How about for those of us with like thick beards or mustaches and everything, to make sure that we don't carry that bacteria with us throughout the night?
That's a great idea. You know what you can do? You can buy something called HibaCleanse. It's about $7 for a small green bottle. It's a pink liquid inside, and it's basically a bactericidal, meaning killer, product. And sports athletes use this after their shower and so on. And it's over the counter. You don't need a prescription, and you can just have it in your shower. And then when you take your shower, just put a little bit of that HibaCleanse all around your beard, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then rinse it off, and you've just removed all the bacteria. And then don't forget about your pillowcase to change that about every second or third day as well, because at nighttime you're perspiring and you may be shedding bacteria there too.
Absolutely. Now, when we go to the barber shop, there's a particular product, and most people, like, it's Barbasol or
Yes,
something like that.
yes.
And of course, because your typical barber sees like maybe, 25, 30 different people per day.
Right.
So they put their trimmers and their scissors and their combs in that material, and it's a sterilizing agent, I would assume.
That's right.
Is it wise for us to use that at home as well?
Well, it's usually not really that practical to get that for home use, but you could just use the isopropyl alcohol, as I was saying, for your own things. At the barber, they're sharing many people's, they're using this on many people. At home, you're just using it on yourself, so you can just use alcohol because you don't need something that strong.
Okay, and now we like to debunk myths here.
Sure.
And I've seen this with my coworkers, not only in this company, but other places. I've seen it in school. Invariably, somebody will say, I've lost one of my contacts. May I have one of yours? Or I don't have any of my contacts. May I have two of yours? Even if they're brand new and they come through the solution, everything like that. How strategic or stupid, depending on what side you follow?
Just really don't share contacts. If it's a brand new contact that's never been used, okay, then it's coming out of a package. But If it's somebody else's contact lens, please don't use that, because you can get an eye infection, and you can also, pass your eye infection back to them if you give them back the contact. So that's not to be shared.
So again, the lesson we can take away from this is have your own suite of
Yeah.
hygiene products,
Right,
your own
and
trimmers.
as far as the contact lens solution, make sure that you use your own, that you clean your little dish, that you put the contact lenses in at nighttime and so on. Yeah.
All right, so it's a little bit more expensive to buy all of those things for yourself as opposed to sharing them with a family, but less than the trip to the doctor.
Absolutely, and less discomfort for you. You don't get infections and pink eyes and so on.
Absolutely. Stay healthy and
Yeah.
stay in the black.
Yeah,
Make sure that you're not going broke at the doctor.
definitely.
All right, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
All right, stay tuned. We are back after this.